talk about how can you fix this problem on your keycap. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, so you just keep going down here, then you click here on apps, click on it. So then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for keycap, or just click on search. Then here add keycap, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.